So the question is, how do we colorize black and white photos in Photoshop? And the answer is, well, let me show you. And we can do that by using neural filters. Okay, so let's open up Photoshop. I have a few layers here. We'll start with this one here. It's a lady, looks like she's eating something. Can't tell if that's ice cream or something like whatever it is. It looks delicious. So what we can do is always start off with right clicking and then heading up to convert to smart object. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll head up to filter and let's choose neural filters. Click on neural filters. Okay, now there's plenty of options here. We have the skin smoothing, the makeup transfer, etc. But we're looking for colorize for this particular photo. Let's go down here and let's click on colorize. Now, when the first time you use it, you're going to have to download this sort of plugin. I've already done that, so let's click on colorize. Here we go. That's it. That is it. That's definitely a believable photo. Now, I have no idea how AI or technology or Photoshop understands how exactly or what, those trees were this color, the sky was that color, the building was this color, her dress was that color. It's interesting to me, but I like it. That's good stuff. So that's all you have to do in that regard. Now let's try another one. So we'll go down here. And now we have the output options here. It says output as a new color layer. So let's do that. So what it does is it makes its own separate color layer. So when we drop it back in the layers panel, then what we can do is we can edit it accordingly if we like, change the blend modes, etc. So we did that. Now let's click OK. Let me see. New layer mask or new layer. I think new layer is just fine. Hit OK. And we are right there. That's all we have to do. Now let's do another one real quick. We'll turn this one off. Let's pull up this one. We'll do the same thing here. Let's head up to filter, convert for smart filters. Head back up to filter and let's go to neural filters. Okay, go down to colorize. Let's click on colorize. Just that quick. Just that quick. Now I'm not quite sure the year that these photos were taken. I just know that it was probably before color. Okay, let's see. Now let's go down here. And if you want to, you can adjust the colors yourself. So let's click off the auto color image. Then you can go in here and punch in the cyans. Let's punch up the red a little bit just to see what it does. Magenta and green. Pull that down a little bit. Now let's punch in the blue a little bit. Okay, noise reduction. Let's try that and see what that does. Move this over probably about maybe 30 on the noise reduction. Okay, let's see. Let's dial this in a little bit and see what changes we made. Go down here to the bottom left corner. Let's click on that. Here's the before. Here's the after. Bad. Okay. Now, if you want to reset your parameters, let's just go up here and hit this little arrow pointing left, and it'll pull us back to where we were. That's it. That is it, guys. And let's output as a new color layer and then hit OK. We're done. We are done. That's it. So if you want to place these photos side by side, let's just say you have a client that you wanted to that they wanted you to color the photos, you can place them side by side, for instance. Take that off, put one color photo or one black and white photo and then your color photo. Set them side by side and show them the comparisons. And that would be good. So I think that's a good place to stop right here, guys. We are finished. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.